Hey, YouTube, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to put channel tags on your YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so you're back. So here I am in my YouTube channel, and I believe, by the way, everyone should have a YouTube channel. So if you're on this video, congratulations, because YouTube is, I believe, the #2 search engine in the world. All right, so this is what you want to do. You must have tags. Now, what does tags do? Tags help you to help people to find you on YouTube, to help people to find your channel through the related things that they are looking for. Okay, so let me show you. This is one of my YouTube channels here. So all you have to do is click your icon here, and then you're going to click on my channel, and you're going to click on customize channel. And you see here, you're going to see like this little settings button. You're going to click on that button. You moved because I have that CSV export. So click on that this settings button. And now what you're going to do, you are going to click on advanced settings. And what you're going to do here, you're going to see channel keywords. Okay, so what you're going to do, and I'm going to change these channel keywords. So this is my channel, right? So what you're going to do, so my channel is all about online success. So online success. Please don't copy my channel, by the way, and put a comma there. So affiliate marketing, online marketing, coaching. So you just want to put, the name of your keywords. So keywords are what? It's what your channel is about. It's what you're going to be teaching on your channel. Everything from, your videos. Think about all your videos that you're going to be making. What is it that you do, right? And you want to put that in your tags. And you can have as many tags as you want, I believe. I don't think there's a limit to the amount of tags that you can have. So these are the things that I teach: coaching, online marketing, e-commerce, or really just consulting. Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and show you all of my tags here, but what you want to do now, you're going to save this. Okay, you're going to save it, and voila, now your videos, not just your videos, but your channel has tags. So the more concrete and how should I say, what's the word that I'm looking for? Basically, the better your tags are, the better people will be able to find you. If your content relates to your tags, that is, that's what you want. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are making content that relates to your channel tag so that people can find you and people can know exactly what your channel is about. All right, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys later. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All right, and leave me some comments. All right, I'm out. Peace.